Sujite Rinpoche.
Wow, no, very nice. Okay.
In 2024, at the invitation of various groups in the United States, the Rinpoche, Tulku Pema Rigtsal Rinpoche of Humla, Nepal, arrived in North America for a series of teachings and talks. His visits to New York, Boston, Canada, Colorado, and California are notated here in this abbreviated film. Rinpoche's legacy descends most recently from the Jujunlingpa family and lineage and extends far back in history to the great Tibetan saint Padmasambhava, the lotus-born.
Afternoon everyone, as welcome to Mindfulness Meditation here also.
The first topic today is the Vajra and Bell. The Vajra and Bell which symbolize or express emptiness and compassion. At the time of the lotus-born, many disciples were empowered as sacred lineage holders of what came to be known as the Nyingma tradition of Tibetan Buddhism. Secret teachings were hidden in various material and non-material dimensions, to be discovered at future times by destined treasure revealers when most beneficial for civilization. One of these treasure revealers was the 19th century visionary Dujum Lingpa, who lived contemporaneously with direct relatives of Tulku Pema Rigtsal Rinpoche. Rinpoche's teachings at Tibet House, Payul Center, Sherpa Gompa, and the Rubin Museum in New York were filmed. These recordings are accessible on social media, on YouTube, and on Vimeo.
You mentioned that the practice of Dzogchen in particular can help pacify many of the world's problems, such as environmental disasters, social chaos, warfare, and famine. Can you explain a little bit about this view of Dzogchen?
Yes.
In cases of people like being consumed by anger, but through the anger coming to realize Rigpa, or someone's like marriage falling apart, but that somehow they're able to take that suffering onto the path, it becomes transformative, or like an illness becoming a conducive circumstance with blessings in disguise. Tulku Pema Rigtsal Rinpoche's humility, wisdom, knowledge and charm are just some of the many qualities he puts at the service of his teachings and transmissions of Buddha Dharma. His virtuous personality, compassion and humour leave us here in North America with the indelible stain of his special nature and generosity.
See you in Delhi.
Rinpoche's teachings on Dzogchen, on the practices of shamatha, samadhi, vipassana and bodhicitta are accessible and most sublime. We hope that some of Rinpoche's teachings and blessings will reach all of those watching this film.